Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with a little bit of a haul from Thrive Market. I cannot remember if I have made a video on Thrive Market before, but I have been ordering from them since I think about 2000, well, it's been about a year, I think, maybe 2 years. Anyways, it is basically like an online grocery store in a way. Anything that can be shipped safely, you can find it on there. Like obviously cold and frozen stuff you can't get, but it's like organic, healthy, health conscious style foods that you can get for, I think it's like $60 a year. You purchase a membership, and for that entire year you can order whatever you want. It's not like Grow Collaborative where you order, like you have an order every month. This is where you just order as you need things. So the lighting probably looks very different today, and that's because I'm filming in the evening. I don't remember the last time that I filmed in the evening. It was probably before we moved like from our old house. But I really enjoy doing unboxings, and sometimes, like, since I work full-time, I'm not always able to do like an unboxing right when the box comes, and then I don't really like letting boxes just sit there until I have a chance to film, and then I don't use the things in the box until I have a chance to film. So I think I'm just gonna do them as things come in, and if I end up editing this and not liking the lighting, I'll figure something else out. But I just really, unboxings are just really fun to film for me. I don't know why, I've always enjoyed them, and I really haven't had a good chance to do them lately, and so I'm filming this at night, and I hope it looks okay. So this time for my Thrive Market order, I was replacing some items and then ordering some new things too, which is always exciting. So I'm just gonna get kind of like the boring stuff out of the way that I was replacing. The items always come packaged really well. So these are the Bob's Red Mill Organic Quick Cooking Rolled Oats. I use these for a couple things. Number one, overnight oats. I love overnight oats. And I also use these for granola bites, which are just like little granola bars, kind of like soft granola bars that are like in ball form. So yeah, we are always ordering that. And I like the Bob's Red Mill brand. Like, as a brand, I think they're really amazing, and they put a lot of thought into their products and everything. You can learn a lot if you go onto the Bob's Red Mill website and just like read about their products and everything. So yeah, I love Bob's Red Mill. I also needed some flour. I am trying to find, oh my gosh, I can't even think of the word now. Non-bromated flour. I feel like I'm not saying that word correctly, but anyways, non-bromated, I think that's what it's called. Anyways, I think this one might be, I can't remember. This is the King Arthur flour. I'm not going to take it out because a little bit of the flour did get kind of like loose in this package, this little bag. This is the King Arthur flour, unbleached, 100% organic, all-purpose flour. I use this obviously for baking and anything you would use all-purpose flour for, but specifically pizza dough. So, and I needed to unbox this so that I could make our pizza dough tomorrow night, because we have pizza on Thursday nights. I really wish that I could remember that word. I think it's non-bromated, but it's something done to the flour that makes bread rise faster. And so anyways, I just want flour that doesn't have that done. I will link below the article that I read about it. So yeah, got that. I also ordered another pack of parchment baking paper. I use this for everything, literally everything, like even our pizzas. I put this down under the pizzas so I could just like lift the pizzas off the pan. But this is by the If You Care brand, so it's unbleached, totally chlorine free parchment paper. Next, you need this for pizza. This is active dry yeast. I've never tried this brand before, but it was the only like packets of yeast that they had on the website. So this is just yeast, and it's 3 packs. So that'll be 3 weeks worth for us. Here's another example of how well they package things. Like everything that could possibly spill is like sealed up really well. And it says ready to ship on this bag. So I guess that's how they have it in like their warehouse or whatever. It's also even like taped shut. But this is the Thrive Market honey. It's organic and non-GMO. I'm not really particular about non-GMO products. To be honest, I'm not even particular about organic products, which is really weird because I mean Thrive Market is all about organic and I do care about having organic food, but I am more focused on just eating healthy however we can afford it, because I mean we're at a point where we can afford more organic food, but we have not always been in this position. So I just had like I used to feel guilty about not being able to purchase organic food, but really it's just about eating healthy. If I have to buy frozen vegetables, then I'm going to buy frozen vegetables, and I'm just going to be very happy that I can afford vegetables. So anyways, I just wanted to tell you this is organic and non-GMO. I didn't mean to go into a rabbit trail, but honey. I use this for tea, and I use it like if I have like a sore throat, if the kids have a sore throat, they can just take a little bit of honey. They are all over the age of 1, so there's no risk with that. But yeah, we use a lot of honey. That is it for things I usually buy. I bought a couple new things. So the Bob's Red Mill brand that I was talking about earlier, they have these organic oatmeal bowls. And so this is just like the quicker oatmeal bowls you can buy in the store. It's just like a instant oatmeal in a bowl. And this is the cranberry orange. I've never seen cranberry orange oatmeal anywhere, and that sounds so good to me. So this has like all organic ingredients, and you just add hot water and stir, and you let it stand for 3 minutes, which is super helpful because I always explode oatmeal if I do it in the microwave. The other option is that you could add cold water, stir, and microwave on high for 1 minute, and then let it stand for 2 minutes. But I think that the safer option for me is just to use the electric kettle and let it sit for 3 minutes. But usually my husband just makes my oatmeal in the morning if we have hot oatmeal. So I got 2 of those because the minimum order quantity was 2, but that's perfect. So my husband and I can both try it. The last thing that I got is a little bit different. I've never tried this before, but I was just looking for some healthy alternative to snacks. I order from Nature Box. I love Nature Box so much, but so a lot of our healthy snacks come from Nature Box, but I'm just looking for something different to try, and this is called Gimme Organic Sweet Chili Sriracha Premium Roasted Seaweed. So I was just really interested in trying that. I like to make kale chips. I don't know, like to me it seems like dried seaweed or roasted seaweed and kale chips might be kind of similar, and I like those, so I thought I would try these. It is organic, non-GMO branded seaweed, and they have 4 different flavors, but it doesn't say what flavors are on this. But I got the sweet chili sriracha because we really like sriracha in our house. So that's it. I hope that I'm able to do an unboxing every time I place an order on Thrive Market. I will also leave the link down below if you want to check them out. I've been really happy with the money that I've saved on Thrive Market compared to like the prices in like in my local grocery store. We do have a couple grocery stores that have a lot of organic food and like really healthy snack options, but I've compared some of the prices and some of them are better on Thrive Market. Even the parchment paper I used to get from Grove Collaborative, and it is cheaper on Thrive Market's website. And since I use that all the time, I'm definitely going to go with the cheaper option, which would be Thrive Market. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you shop from Thrive Market, I would love to know if you have found anything really cool or interesting to try from them. So leave me a comment down below so that I can check it out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.